Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, today I and my friends will present about our project, which is about face recognitions. Alright, firstly we need to know about a facial recognition system is a technology capable of the matching a human face from a digital image or a video frame against a database of faces, typically employed to authenticated user through ID verifications service work by the pinpoint and the measuring facial features from a given image. Alright, that's all we need to know about the introduction. Alright, secondly, how each images development began on the similar system in the 1960s, beginning as a form of computer application. Since their inceptions, facial recognition systems have seen wider use of the recent time of the smartphones and the other form of technology such as robotics. Because a computerizes facial recognition involves the measurements of the human psychological characteristic. Facial recognition system are the categories as the biomedical. Alright, so that's all how is emergence. Alright, so why we choose this technology? Alright, facial recognition system are employed throughout today world by government and private companies. Their effectiveness varies, and some systems are previously been scrapped because of their ineffectiveness. The use of the face recognition system has also raised controversy with claims that a system violates citizens' privacy, commonly make incorrect identifications, encourage gender norms and the racial profiling, and do not protect important biometric data. Alright, so this is how and why we choose this technology.
So what value face recognition for business? The value is to improve the security system in companies such as finance, document, or also security system in technology like computer, laptop and so on. The main point is face recognition is more secure. Next, what impact for technology? The impact is advanced security features. Recently, cybercrime has increased, requiring many businesses to upgrade their security procedure. Face recognition system is more secure option. It's not only simple to use because user don't have remember their password, but it nearly tough to break into. The system can be only accessed by user whose face have been approved to log in. After that, what impact for people, process and business? The impact is facial recognition technology open for businesses new digital opportunity and change the dynamic of the world. This technology help to improve customer relation service, provide safety solution and even helps to broaden product offering. Facial recognition can be applied in security, entertainment and hospitality, human resource management and many other cases. Are there any issues to my proposed technology? No. There are no issue related to proposed technology because this technology focus on improving the security of the system in the company and also the use of technology.
Might Malaysia design something that will surprise the world on the technology that we choose. Facial identification, also known as Face ID, nowadays are very important for those who wants to keep their privacy assured. Face recognition or identification begins with our image that has been captured, converted to grayscale, and then used by the search engine for facial comparison result. The eye location this era of pandemic COVID-19, maybe face recognition can be developed with a better function to adapt its functionality to detect users' face without uncover their masks. In the observation about the findings, we can create a system to scan our face without removing layers like mask or the like. It's a process where we develop facial recognition systems that can identify people wearing masks. For example, there is a situation where a smartphone user wants to unlock his phone using a Face ID in public. But the system cannot detect his face because he is wearing a mask. To pull down his mask. When the system of face recognition has been developed, he can update the interface and use the new version of the face recognition system that can detect his face even without pulling down his mask. The phone can be unlocked much easier. Just focus on parts of the face that are not covered, such as the eyes, to verify their identity. We can say that mask recognition software in theory bypasses privacy issues because the programs do not actually identify the people. Software is trained on two sets of images. One, to teach the algorithm how to recognize a face, which is face detection. And second, to figure out how to recognize a mask on a face, which is mask recognition. Learning algorithm does not identify the faces in any way that can link a face to a specific person because it does not use a training set. The set of examples used to train such programs with faces that are linked to identities. Our suggestions is to boost the accuracy of the face recognition system. Choose a deep learning model architecture specifically designed for large-scale face datasets. It means that we have to improve the accuracy of the facial recognition systems by choosing an architecture of deep learning model designed specifically for large-scale facial datasets. With this, we can improve the accuracy and fasten the speed to detect facial identity.
As a conclusion, facial recognition is a biometric form of technology used to identify human faces. It is both secure and trusted as our faces are unique. And it is also convenient because we no longer have to remember password and to input password just to identify ourselves.